Hi everyone, this is week 25's Friday review. Question number one, is 23 a prime number? Yes, it is. 23 is not the answer to any of your tables. You should know that. So nothing multiplied by anything else is 23 except for 1 by 23. Question number two, minus 9 plus minus 6 is minus 15. Question number three, now 3/8 of something equals 9. How do you go about these? Well, if 3/8 of the number is 9, then 1/8 of that number is 3. That makes it a little bit clearer. So if 1/8 of the number is 3, then the full number is 3 multiplied by 8, which is 24. Number 4, halve 1/4, that's 1/8. So remember, we double the number at the bottom to make it half as big. Number 5, a computer costs €1,000 plus 20% VAT. What's the total price? Well, 20% of 1,000 is 200. Add that on, you get 1,200. Question number 6, 1.6 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.32. Write in descending order, that's going down. The first thing you have to do with all these numbers is change them all into decimals so that you can compare them with each other. 7 over 8 is 0.875. You got 0.55. You got 0.1 there, that's already a decimal. And 5% is 0.05. So now you can look at them and you can say, okay, what's the biggest, what's the smallest? The biggest is the 0.875, that's 7/8. Second biggest is the 0.55. Third biggest is the 0.1. And the fourth biggest is the 5%, which is 0.05. Question number 8, 1 take away 0.002 is 0.998. Question number 9, round 14.8569 to 3 decimal places. If you're rounding to 3, you have to look at the fourth one. That's a 9. That means you're going to be rounding up. So that 6 is going to become 7. So 14.857 is our answer. Question number 10, 1/5 of a litre is 0.2 of a litre. Question number 11, 4 over 1,000 is a decimal, 0.004. Question number 12, right, from A, how many millimeters to 3 meters? It's not very clearly written here because these aren't written as millimeters, but we're going to assume that these are all millimeters. This is 2,000 millimeters. So A is 2,000 millimeters, and 2,000 millimeters is 2 meters. So how many more millimeters to 3 meters? That's 1 meter from 2 to 3 is up here somewhere. And that's 1,000. So your answer is 1,000 millimeters. Question 13, write the numeral 1.9 million. So it's 1 million plus 0.9 million. This 1 is going to be in the million places, followed by a 9, followed by 5 zeros. So 1.9 million is less than 2 million. So it's not going to have like 19 and then a whole lot of zeros. That's the amount of zeros. Question number 14, 40% equals 0.04. That's false because 40% is equal to 0.4. Number 15, the angles in a triangle are 35 degrees and 110. What's the third angle? Third angle also has to be 35 because the three of them add up together to 180. Question number 16, 2 and 1/4, pretty simple, 2.25. 17, A is something like the previous one, except this has a picture, 65 plus 55. Add them together, it has to be 180, so this is 60. Question number 18, 5 over 1,000 as a decimal is 0.005. Question number 19, the minute hand has rotated how many degrees? Well, do you remember we were talking about this in the classroom? We were saying that each jump on the clock is 30 degrees because the whole clock is 360. So 360 divided by 12 is 30. So this goes 10 jumps, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one is 30, so it's 300 degrees. Another way of looking at it is how many has it not jumped? That's 60. So 360, take away 60. Your answer is 300. Question number 20. 2/3 of your class of 27 ate cereal this morning. How many did not? Well, if 2/3 did, 1/3 did not. So you need to get 1/3 of 27. That's 9. Number 21, the largest is which? You have to find them all out. So first we'll find out what all of these things are. 30% of 20 is 6. 50% of 16 is 8. 40% of 15 is also 6, so the biggest is the middle one. The angles in a trapezium always add up to 360 because it's a four-sided shape. Number 23, 9 over 1000 is 0.009. We seem to be having a lot of questions like that. Number 24, how many faces has a square-based pyramid? Well, it's got the square in the bottom, and then it has four triangles going up, so that's 5 faces altogether. And draw the net of a triangular prism. Well, it's going to have one triangle, two triangles, joined up by 3 rectangles. So let's look something like that.